Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to log out Gmail on Samsung A35 5G device. Well, knowing how to log out of Gmail is crucial for maintaining the security, privacy, and integrity of your email account, especially in shared or public environments. It's a simple yet important step to help protect your personal information and ensure that your account remains secure. So, let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, open please Gmail application on your device. Okay, and then click on profile icon at the top right corner. After that, here you can select manage account on this device. Well, and then select please the account you want to log out from your device. After that, click remove account here. Then click once again. So by removing the account, it will be automatically logged out from your Gmail. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to log out Gmail on Samsung A35 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.